What's going on? Elijah Hernandez here with another video. Today, I just got my new phone. It's a Samsung Galaxy S3. And no, don't go bullying me about it, because, hey, it was a nice phone. It's a really nice phone, guys. Let's take it out. Alright. Alright, here goes. Powered. Oh, this is the Verizon version as well. Alright, here it goes. Powered on. Oh, it's starting up. I love this phone, guys. It's a Samsung, too. I love that little boot up sound. Sorry about my camera. It's... Ooh, Verizon logo. It's older, but it's... Let's check the phone out. Verizon. I wonder... this is an unlocked model, too. Alright. Here, let's check out the ringtones. You know I like to check those out. Alright, my device. Ringtones over the horizon. I like that one. I'm gonna keep the default. That one. Let's check out the notifications we got. I like that sound. Hold on. That's a nice sound. I love this phone, guys. Surround. Let's see how the ringtone sounds with the surround sound. See that? It's a Galaxy S3. Man, I love this phone, guys. I got the case and stuff right here for it. That's for an LG G5, I think. You know I like that. You know I like that phone, man. Guys. Alright, thanks so much for watching, guys. Yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Please go follow me on Instagram. It will be in the description below. And next video, I'll do a camera test of this, actually. Yeah. Alright, peace out.